Now in this video we can see the clustered bar. Clustered bar is generally when you have three variables together. One will be the continuous, other one will be the categorical since it is bar graph, and one more we can take that as Z axis. So here in this study we are going to study the political interest against the education level with the base of gender. So gender we can take it as Z axis. What we want to measure here is political interest, we will take it as Y axis against the education level. So we can take this as X axis, gender as Z. So X, Y and Z. Now we can go to graph chart builder. We can choose clustered bar since we have X, Y, Z. We can take gender as Z, level of education as your X axis, political interest as Y axis as we want to measure that. Under bar we can make them to display the error bars, and and with respect to Y we can remove this, can click apply. Other things is if you want to give the title can give. Okay. Why footnotes is popping is we want to see the footnote, right? So footnote is your 95% of your error value, that is 95% of confidence level we are mentioning that in footnotes. So automatically by default it is showing. So now if you want to change anything here in the clustering, not to cluster, it will be like this. If you want to cluster, it will be like this. So as per our understanding we can change. So basic elements, if you want to transpose and show, you can transpose and show. So all these we can do here, but okay, so that's all about to show here. Now when we go to the output, we have already generated, already we shown in the prior graph how to change the color. So here level of education against the political interest on the basis of male and female. So male here is indicated in blue, female as green. So at the school level, the political interest seems to be at the middle level, and the level of education and with respect to level of education, when we deal with the college and school, both are having not very much difference, but a slight difference in college. Slight improvement in the political interest is there, but when we see out of three, the university seems to be the peak with showing high interest on the political field, where male is showing more interest when compared with the female. So this is the interpretative outcome when you see about this particular video, that is for the graph. So when you want to change, you can change, but in this graph, when you look into that, yes, you can fill. You have to click this thing. They have locked here. You can't change. If you want to change the border, you can change the border. Otherwise, close. So this is your. Sometimes you can do change. Sometimes, if it is locked, we can't able to change the color. So this is the output of the clustered bar chart by taking X, Y, Z axis here. So it is a beautiful interpretation, like say comparative statistics with respect to male and female on the basis of level of education, showing inclination towards the political interest. Thank you.